Water. What comes to mind when you hear this word? I think about the amount of people who do not have access to it, and those who do, but don't appreciate it. I think about how much we are wasting every day, every minute of our lives.
I think about the common misunderstanding of water shortages, as many only see the big and obvious picture that the world's surface is made up of 70% water and don't understand that 97.5% of it is unfit for human consumption.
I think about how global warming is increasingly pressurizing the remaining water reserves that we have.
I think about how 21 out of 37 of the Earth's largest aquifers are being depleted, and of how this will likely lead to a long-term issue which is likely to worsen as reliance on aquifers grow.
India is on course to have 50% water deficiency by 2030. A report by the World Economic Forum has identified water crisis as the biggest risk the world faces over the next 10 years.
It's a political thing in a lot of ways. It feels like it's political.
I think they all knew that this was coming.
We're going to have wars over water one of these days.
Around a fifth of the global population are currently under water stress, with their country's underground reserves already being severely depleted. And this figure is dramatically rising, with almost 1/3 of the world's population predicted to be hit by critical shortages over the next decade. While demand for fresh water is soaring as global consumption expands in line with population growth, and a combination of overcrowding, pollution, poor resource management and climate change will bring major security threats, concerns that have been raised by the UN Secretary General.
According to the United Nations Water Agency, in 9 years, 2/3 of the world population will be living in stressed water conditions.
I think about how us as individuals might not find the world's solution. However, as a community, we can make a difference.
We can start by making our workplace more sustainable and reduce water waste wherever possible.
We have carried out investigations that have shocked us.
Our findings showed that we use 2,860 litres per day to simply wash our hands in the school bathroom.
Around 7,400 litres of water every day are literally flushed down the toilet.
This makes a total of 10,260 litres of water solely used in the bathrooms every single day.
Which results in an estimate of 1.85 million litres being wasted in Swans bathrooms every year.
Through the use of technology,
we can reduce the water that is wasted by the bathroom taps by simply applying a product called the altered nozzle, which
reduces water waste by 98%.
This is possible through the reduction of the amount of water that the nozzle allows to pass. Ultimately, there is a mist coming out of the tap without reducing the tap's efficiency.
In addition to this, the water waste can be reduced if we simply lower the amount of time for which it runs. For we highly doubt that a toilet needs to run for 22 seconds and a tap for an average of 20 seconds.
The collection and redirection of grey water may also be a great help to reduce water waste, as the water that has been used to wash our hands in the sink can be redirected to be reused to
flush the toilets instead of wasting fresh water.
Similarly, we can collect rainwater and use this to wash the school vehicles,
water our plants and the grass. We believe that together we can make a change.
We believe that together we can make a change.
We believe that together we can make a change.
We believe that together we can make a change.
Therefore, we propose that you be part of the solution.
And that we tackle the problems of fresh water shortages
together.
As the Swans community.
As the Swans community.
As the Swans community.
As a Swans community.
As a Swans community.
As the Swans community.
As the Swans community.
As a Swans community.
As a Swans community. As a Swans community.